In this video, I'll show you how to get Bitcoin wallet address in Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if someone tells you to send him or her your BTC wallet address, what you're going to do now, you're going to click on this manage crypto, right? Wait for it to load. Then we're going to come on here and type in BTC. So this is Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is trading for $100,000, right? Okay, when I'm recording this video, currently 99.805.03 cent dollar, right? So if someone tells you to send him or her your Bitcoin wallet address, your BTC wallet address, so you're going to click on this manage crypto, come on here and turn it on, right? Then once you have turned it on, click on this BTC, click on this receive, send the person your wallet address once it displays once you have clicked the receive. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.